Helmet Bluetooth Headset T-Max S Pro. T-Max S Pro connect mobile phone to receive a phone call, listening to music, mobile phone GPS, wake up the phone voice assistant and so on. Bluetooth 5.0 chip system smooth, DSP and CVC triple intelligent noise control, high-speed calls no wind noise. Low wind resistance turbine body design, reduce riding helmet wind resistance. Large key design, 1-button multisense sliding operation, 1-button blind operation no pressure. Large capacity battery, 15 to 17 hours of battery life. Hi-Fi moving coil stereo headphone brings you hi-fi sound quality.